What is up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. This video, it's all about Amazon luxury beauty haul. And just like the previous months, I stocked up my essentials when it comes to this month as well. But however, this month there is a slight difference. Rather, I would not call these essentials. Maybe these are the extras. And as always, I would not recommend any skin or hair care or any perfumes because these are all subjective and depends on your skin and hair type. But these are the ones I picked up from Amazon recently, particularly for this month of February. With that being said, let us get started with the first product for this video. It is a body mist. It's a body spray from The Body Shop. You guys know how much I love Body Shop products in general, and this one I got it the moment they released it because vanilla flavor is something they don't release throughout the year. Rather, they will be limited to few specific seasons. So I just wanted to stock it up, and also I like vanilla fragrance in specific. This is a 100 ml bottle. This is priced at 845 rupees, but on Amazon I got 25% off, bringing the price point somewhere close to 600 to 700 rupees. I really love how it smells. Yes, it's a body spray, and yes, you do need to use a little bit more than the normal perfumes, but I really love this fragrance. I also like white musk fragrance from The Body Shop. I don't like any fragrance with the flower smell to it, and links are there for you guys in the description below if you want to shop any of the products shown in this video. As we are done with the product number 1, let's get into the product number 2, which is also from Body Shop. This is a Wild Argan Oil Body Moisturizer from Body Shop. It's a 250 ml bottle, which is priced at 575. As I mentioned, there was some 25% off. And this I stocked up early in the February. All these items I stocked up in the first week of February, and I almost used it 3/4 of the bottle. That's how much I love this, and this is particularly great for the winter season. Wild Argan oil gives more nourishing effect during the winter season, and it doesn't leave any oily texture or a super oily texture on the skin. It have a very mild fragrance to it that is actually soothing too, along with the nourishing properties this Body Shop moisturizer have. Just like the perfume before, it is also not super long lasting because you need to use a little bit more in terms of the overall quantity if you're applying for the body, right? Moving on to the product number 3, this is from Forest Essentials. Forest Essentials itself is a luxury brand, and so I'm not going to mention in regarding to how pricey it is. It's a 100 ml bottle. It is a room spray. It's not a body spray or perfume. It's not something related to grooming nor any skincare, but this is something which is related to the ambience or where you stay. So I got this room spray from the Forest Essentials, which is priced at 1500 rupees for this 100 ml bottle. So what exactly I love in this one? When it comes to the fragrance, it have a composition of rose, patchouli as well as clove. These three are blended into this fragrance. Once you spray this, immediately it uplifts the ambience with its pleasant as well as cooling fragrance. You must be thinking why it is so expensive, because it is made of 100% essential oils. It do not have any synthetic fragrance which you find generally at the lower price points. This room fragrance have clove composition to it, which generally purifies and warms the environment, whereas when it comes to patchouli, it has grounding as well as balancing properties. And then when it comes to rose, which is the main composition for this particular room spray, it gives that pleasant and soothing fragrance along with minimizing the slightly strong fragrance of the clove. Now let's talk about the product number 4, which is a face wash. It's a absolute must-have for your skincare routine, and I got this mild cleanser from the Forest Essentials. Again, it is actually a 50 ml bottle, and this costs you 350 rupees. It is expensive for whatever the quantity you get. If you wash your face daily twice, you can use this at least for a month. That's for sure. That's how much long lasting it is. The basic reason why I got this one in specific for the winter season, I got because of its mild cleansing properties. It leaves the moisture on our skin intact but cleanses the dirt and excessive oils. When it comes to the composition, they have 4 major ingredients. Number 1, honey. It is well known for its antioxidant as well as antimicrobial properties because it can help protect your skin from the sun rays. Also, it can help moisturizing your skin so that it stays supple and soft. And ingredient number 2, lemon. It can help cooling during the summer season. You can use this throughout the year, even though it's a mild cleanser. And number 3, rose water. It can help diminish or decrease the fine lines and also can hydrate the skin. And number 4, vitamin E. Just like the honey, it also have the antioxidant properties. It can also protect from the sun rays, and the best part, it's a natural preservative. You do get this face wash in 130 ml as well as 200 ml bottle sizes as well. Even though it has been mentioned that it is for all skin types from normal skin to very dry skin, I thought let's give it a try with the smaller bottle, and it's really good. I'm definitely gonna stock up when it comes to this Forest Essentials mild cleanser. Moving on to the last but not the least when it comes to this haul, It's a after bath body oil from Forest Essentials again. It's actually a 200 ml bottle and this is priced at 2025 rupees. I got this maybe a month back. It is actually a water soluble oil. After bath oil, directly you can add to the warm water, or else what I would do is that once I'm done with my bath, when the skin have slight moisture to it, then I apply. Where you can get most of the benefits this oil offers. And it is actually a blend of essential oils. It have this refreshing smell of the green tea and with a slightly smoky smell of the oud. No need to use fragrance and no need to use body moisturizer. And also, it doesn't leave any oily residue on the skin. It's a water soluble oil. It's gonna blend super quickly. If you apply later, it's gonna take a little bit more time to get absorbed into the skin. As I mentioned earlier, I was not using moisturizer whenever I use this after bath body oil because it have nourishing properties, it have hydrating, moisturizing properties, and also it do have great fragrance. Overall, even though it's pricey at 2000 rupees, I feel that this is long lasting, and on top of that, it minimizes the usage of moisturizer as well as fragrance. So overall, I feel that it can balance it out when it comes to the overall price points or overall monthly maintenance. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video informative in some or other way. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more content like this or maybe fashion videos in specific. See you in my next one.